BMW said it can't be done. We've done it. So another Carbonwurks Advanced Car Eye video. So this is a 3 Pro camera. According to BMW or numerous dealerships, not compatible or able to fit with this age F15 X5. Totally wrong. Managed to do it here today. So got an Advanced Car Eye Pro 3 front and rear system. So got a front camera up on the passenger side, hidden on the screen, wiring across the headline and down into the footwell for connection to the front SAM, and then along here, along the driver's side sill area in the floor, wiring up through into the tailgate, which brings us back to our central rear camera. So it's all hidden through the original factory trunk in, wired, hardwired, both cameras, front and rear, into their respective places. This has been quite a popular fit for us aside from our Carbon this year, so another one bites the dust. Anyone else interested in their Advanced Car Eye Pro 3? Don't believe them when they say it can't be done. We had the same thing with our personal i3, which again we've managed to fit the 3.0 Pro system front and rear. So all good. Thank you very much for watching. Any queries, please drop us a line or an email. Otherwise, see you soon.